marvelous Mr. Wendel is the marvelous Mr. Wendel is the marvelous Mr. Wendel.
That's me.
And Mr. Microwave.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Wendel, and I'm Mr. Microwave. We want to welcome you to our theatre. I hope this will be enjoyable for you as it is me. Certainly not me, Givsby. Didn't I tell you to go to the back and wash those dishes? Yes, you did, but I don't want to. I hired you to clean up and wash dishes, and that's what you'll do. Oh, I hate it when he gets like this. But, sir, there's so much I want to do and live for. Then why don't you just go? I don't need you anymore. Oh, sir, you won't be saying that when Donald comes out. Who the hell is Donald? Oh, no, not him. Hey, what's everyone doing out here? Oh, God, not him. Well, everyone, it looks like Dumbass Donald is here. Hi, I just want to come out and say that, I think petunias are really pretty. Oh, he's a simpleton, this guy. Yes, we keep him on the studio a lot because they pay well. Givsby, get him back in his cage. But, sir, I said do it. Oh, Donald, getting me into so much trouble. Anyway, I was about to tell Mr. Microwave a tale of magical fairies, for they understood when they lived in the woods that they were to pick juniper berries, and so on and so forth all day long they picked their happy tunes, and one time... yes, Mo. Do you have a question? Yeah, I've got a question. Why would anybody pay money to see this show? I wouldn't pay 3 cents for it. Yeah, I wouldn't pay a nickel for it neither.
You know, one time, I decided whether or not I was going to clip a toenail.
You gonna finish that?
No, I just think I'll let it hang.
Oh, Curly, you moron. What is happening? If you don't be quiet, Curly, I'll send you to science, and they'll operate on your brain and figure out what's wrong with you. Oh, my God. Why are you doing this? Well, I guess we're bored. Bored as hell, that's for sure.
I come along for the peanuts.
We pay him in peanuts, so I'll keep quiet. It hasn't worked out, has it, Larry? No, it hasn't, that's for sure, Mo. It's making me very angry. Well, then put on a better show, you moron. What are you, stupid or something? Yeah, I take offense to that. Yeah, and I'd take a gate so I'd open it and shut it right in your face. We'll be right back.
It's the marvelous Mr. Wendel, it's the marvelous Mr. Wendel, it's the marvelous Mr. Wendel, and Mr. Microwave.
Hunter S. Thompson in Fear and Loathing and Just Walking Around. High as shit. Holy hell, mother of God, Jesus, I'm tripping. Everything is a story. God damn everything. It's unbelievable, for fuck's sake. Brought to you by this little bottle. Tune in to VQ2 tonight at 7.
Well, Mr. Microwave, I certainly hope that Givsby got dumbass Donald out of sight for tonight. I certainly did, sir. I'd do anything for you. I mean, anything. That will be all, Givsby. Thank you, sir. You smell nice today. He's freaking me out, he is. Well, anyway. What's that?
What do you think you're doing out here?
Nothing.
That's right, you better not be doing nothing. I'm the game warden. Don't play games with me. You don't want to mess with me, motherfucker. If I ever catch you around my swamp, I swear to God, I'll make you wear your intestines as bow ties.
This is private property, and we have every right to... I didn't say you could talk, did I?
Oh, no, you didn't. That's right. If I catch you sniffing around that swamp, I'll rip your brains out and feed them to the sharks.
Oh, God.
Let that be a lesson to you. I catch you pipsqueaks later. On the flip side, dicks.
Whoa, that guy looked really cool. Oh, there he is again. Givsby! Yes, sir. Take him to the back and make sure you give him a beating. Oh, sir, you're so dominant. It's really sexy. Come along, Donald. I don't want the beatings. Will the game warden come back? Find out next week on The Way